Hi students, we are from ScoreUp. We are here to make your studies more easier and interesting. Watch our tips and tricks motivational videos for getting full marks in biology. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification. You can ask doubt in comment section and also join our Telegram group. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This video definitely helps you, so watch this video till the end.
In this question, apomictic embryo citrus arise from. So apomictic embryo in citrus they are asking. Options are synergids, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, antipodal cell, diploid cell. See, out of which it is not apomictic embryo, no, it is not arise from diploid cell. Antipodal cells, it is not for that is apomictic cell. Embryos are not arise from antipodal. So option B is correct. So apomictic cells, embryos are arise from maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. Answer B. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower of the same plant. See, pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower of the same plant. So one is same flower, another flower of the same plant, then another flower of the different plant. These are all the possibilities. See, xenogamy, karyogamy, geitonogamy, autogamy. Autogamy is same flower, same anther, same flower. So this is not the answer. So autogamy. Next is karyogamy. Karyogamy is a fusion of nucleus is called a karyogamy. This is also not possible. Geitonogamy. Geitonogamy is what? See, fusion of anther and stigma of the another flower of the same plant. So this is the answer. Xenogamy also not possible. So answer is B. The scutellum observed in a grain of wheat, maize is comparable, see, wheat or maize, comparable to which part of the seed in another monocotyledon. See what they are asking, scutellum observed in grain, wheat and maize. Wheatலியும் maizeலியும் scutellum பார்க்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது வந்து that is comparable to which part of the seed in other monocotyledon. See, actually பார்த்தீங்கன்னா endosperm கிடையாது, actually plumule அது plumule வராது, alluron layerும் கிடையாது. So it is comparable to cotyledon of the monocotyledon. So answer is A. Wind pollinated flowers. See, the key is wind pollinated flowers. They'll ask in 2010. Small brightly colored producing large number of pollen grains. Small producing large number of dry pollen grains. Large producing abundant nectar. See, wind pollinated flowers, actually how it will be? It will be actually small. So actually this is a large number of dry pollen grain, weightless pollen grain, winged pollen grain, winged, weightless, dry, small, because it is flying, no. So இது பறக்கும்போது அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அது வந்து body weight வந்து weightless-ஆ இருக்கணும், small-ஆ இருக்கணும். பெருசா இருந்ததுன்னா பறக்கிறது, அதாவது wind pollination-ல போறது கஷ்டம். ட்ரையா இருக்கணும், வெட்டா இருந்தாலும் it is not possible. These are all the character. அப்போ இதுல எங்க இருக்கு பாரு, small. அப்போ இது ரெண்டும் எதெல்லாம் ஸ்மாலா இருக்கோ அதுதான். இப்போ லார்ஜ்ன்றது not possible இல்லையா? So இப்போ இதுல small brightly colored producing large number of pollen grain. Small brightly colored large number of pollen grain. Also write small producing large number of dry pollen grain. What is the difference between these two? See, brightly colored pollen grain வந்து colored இருக்கணும்ன்ற அவசியம் கிடையாது. ஸோ அதனால இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ல வந்து the brightly coloredன்றது இருக்கிறதுனால அது வந்து pollen grain வந்து brightly colored இருந்ததுனால அட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போறது இல்லை. ஸோ லார்ஜ் ட்ரையா இருக்கிறதுனால தான் விண்டில் போகுது. இப்போ அது பிரைட்லி கலர்டாக இருந்தால் அது தட் இஸ் த்ரூ இன்செக்ட் வழியாக போயிடும். ஸோ இது ட்ரை pollen grain-ஆ இருக்கிறதுனால ஸோ வி கோ ஃபார் ஆப்ஷன் பி. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் பி. Next, filiform apparatus is the characteristic feature of filiform apparatus. எங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்க filiform apparatus? இப்போ இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு எக், 2 synergids, antipodal cell, polar nuclei. இப்போ இதுல வந்து synergids எக் இருக்கு, synergids இருக்கு இல்லையா? இந்த synergidsக்கு கீழே வந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆகி இருக்கிறது தான் filiform apparatus. அந்த filiform apparatus என்ன செய்யுதுன்னாக்கா pollen tubeல இருந்து pollen tube once enter ஆகும்போது அந்த மேல் gametக்கு அது என்ன செய்யுது வே கொடுக்குது. எப்படி synergidsக்குள்ள நுழையணும்ன்றத வந்து ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்றது வந்து இந்த filiform apparatus. So அப்போ இந்த filiform apparatus is related to எக்கா இல்ல zygote வந்து fertilization ஆன அவுட் தான் zygote வரும். Suspensor கிடையாது. So it is from synergids. Answer is B. What would be the number of chromosome of the alluron cells of plant? 42 chromosome. Some chromosomes in its root tip cells. So here root tip cells, what we see answer is see 42 chromosome in the root tip cell. 42 chromosome means it is 21. See 2n where it is alluron cells. What would be the number of chromosomes alluron cells of plant with 42 chromosomes in the root tip? See here the tip is root tip. Root tip is diploid in nature. அது நம்மளுக்கு நல்லா முதல்ல தெரியணும். Diploidல இருக்கும் root tip. Root tip diploid. So இப்போ n is equal to 42 by 2. So இப்போ என்னது 21. n is equal to 21. Alluron layerல எப்படி இருக்கிறோம்? What is the number of chromosome in alluron layer? It is 3n number of chromosome. Alluron layer. 3n number. So 3 into 21. So 3, 6. So answer is 63. So alluron layer it has 63 number of chromosomes. Next one is wind pollination is common in lilies, grasses, orchids, legume. So wind pollination actually it is lilies, not in lilies. Orchids also not there. Legumes also not there. So answer is grasses. Nucellar polyembryony is reported in the species of Gossypium, Triticum, Brassica, Citrus. Nucellar polyembryony. What is nucellar polyembryony? Because of nucellar polyembryony, many seeds are formed in citrus. So answer is citrus. Answer D. So in which one of the following pollination is autogamous? What is autogamous? Autogamous means same flower, pollen and ovule. Same flower, pollen and ovule fuse to form zygote. This is autogamous. Okay. So here what is autogamy? Here It is xenogamy. Xenogamy is not a autogamous one. B. Chasmogamy also not there. Cleistogamy. The name of autogamous flowers are called cleistogamy. So answer is C. In angiosperm, functional megaspore develops into functional megaspore, which is megaspore, develop into embryo sac, ovule, endosperm, pollen sac. So functional megaspore is nothing but embryo sac. So answer is C. Sorry, answer is A. Embryo sac answer. See here, what is the common between vegetative reproduction and apomixis? Both are not involved with the gametes. So that is common. Okay. Both are applicable to dicot plant. Both bypass flowering phase. Both occur round the year. Both produce progeny identical to the parent. See, out of which, see, bypass flowering phase, that also okay. If it is a flowering plant, this option we can take. See here, whether the plant is, what they asked, common between vegetative, whether it is flowering or non-flowering, what is common? So in that case, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து இந்த bypass flowering phase ன்றது கரெக்டா இருந்தாலும், இப்போ இதுல வந்து எத்தனை percent, இப்போ இதுல questionsல வந்து இந்த optionsல எந்த option apt இருக்குன்றது பார்க்கணும். Both are applicable to only dicot plant. Okay. Both bypass flowering phase, that also okay. That is 80% எடுத்துக்கலாம். Both occur round the year. No. Round the year சில plantsல வந்து இருக்கும். Both produce progeny identical to the plant. இது வந்து என்னது 95% இது correct. So among which is apt one? So D is apt one. So இதுல வந்து என்ன vegetative reproductionல கண்டிப்பா என்ன possibility கிடையாது. Crossing over possibility கிடையாது. New varieties are not possible. So அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல வந்து இந்த ஆன்சருக்கு தான் நம்ம போறோம். ஏன்னா 95% apt இருக்கிறதுனால answer is D. Plant with ovaries having only one or a few ovules, generally pollinated by butterflies, wind, birds, bee. Only one or few ovules. So இந்த இடத்துல நீங்க நல்லா பார்த்துக்கணும். Plants with ovaries having only one or few ovules or pollinated, generally pollinated, general they ask, by wind. So not by butterflies, birds, bees. So only few இருக்கும்போது அது வந்து through wind தான் opt பண்ணுது. So answer is C. What is the function of germ pore? Germ pore எங்க இருக்கு germ pore? அந்த pollen grainல inner membrane, outer exine. Exine here and there it is breakdown. So அந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஸ்போரோபோலினின் இருக்காது. அப்ப அந்த இடத்துல வந்து என்ன இருக்கும்? ஒரு pore மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். So what is the function of germ pore னு கேக்குறாங்க. இப்போ germ pore எங்க இருக்கு? எக்ஸைன்ல இருக்கிற போருக்கு பேரு germ pore னு பேரு. அந்த இடத்துல ஸ்போரோபோலின் இருக்காது. இது எதுக்கு யூஸ்? அந்த germination போது intine protrude out and it germinate. pollen tube germinate ஆகும். இதுதான் அதனுடைய யூஸ். இங்க என்ன ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு பாப்போம். Absorption of water for seed germination. Initiation of pollen tube. So this is the answer. Initiation of pollen tube. So answer is B. Which of the following statement is wrong? They asked wrong statement. So இதுல நல்லா பார்த்துக்க வேண்டியது key is wrong. Vegetative cell is larger than generative cell. Pollen grain in some plant remain visible for a month. Intine is made up of cellulose and pectin. When pollen is shed at two-celled stage, double fertilization does not take place. So, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல இங்க என்னது wrong statement தான் பார்க்கணும். இது மூணுமே correct statement. So, அப்ப correct statementன்றனால இந்த questionக்கு இதான answer கிடையாது. When pollen is shed at two-celled stage, double fertilizationக்கும் two-celled stageக்கும் சம்பந்தம் இல்ல. So, அப்ப இதுக்கு answer என்னது D. The organic substance that can withstand environmental extremes and cannot degraded by any enzyme. Yes, இங்க என்ன keyword? Organic substance that can withstand environmental extremes and cannot be degraded by any enzyme. So, here cuticle, sporopollenin, lignin, cellulose. Cuticle வந்து environmental extreme க்குலாம் இது withstand பண்ணாது. Lignin also it will not withstand. What about sporopollenin? Sporopollenin இருக்கிறதுனால தான் அதை வந்து fossil எல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து fossil கூட preserve பண்ண வைக்க முடியும் pollen grains. So answer is B. Answer B. Next. Even in the absence of pollinating agents, seed setting is assured in Commelina, Zostera, Salvia, Fig. So answer is A. Commelina. The coconut water and edible part of coconut are equivalent to. See, coconut water. Coconut water is free nuclear endosperm. Edible part, cellular endosperm. So it is endosperm. Answer is A. Next, both autogamy and geitonogamy are prevented in papaya, castor, cucumber, maize. See, autogamy, geitonogamy. Autogamy means what? Autogamy. Same flower, pollen and zygote. That is ovule. Autogamy. Geitonogamy, flower of same plant but different flower of same plant. So pollen and ovule. So autogamy, autogamy, same flower, pollen and ovule. Geitonogamy, different flower of the same plant, pollen and ovule unite. So that is geitonogamy. And prevented, both are prevented. இப்போ ரெண்டுமே எப்போ prevent ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா when it is dioecious plant. Dioecious plant னா என்னது? Male flower, male plant, female plant தனியா இருக்கும். Male plant, female plant அப்படின்னு தனித்தனியா இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த ரெண்டுமே not possible. அப்ப இதுல எதுக்கு வந்து அந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டுமே தனித்தனியா இருக்கு? That is unisexual plant இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா papaya தான் unisexual plant. So answer is answer A. Next is gynoecium. Consists of many free pistils in flower. Gynoecium consists of many free pistils in a flower of aloe, papaver, tomato, michelia. So free pistils, example michelia. So answer is D. Which of the following statement is correct? See, first of all, you have to underline which is asking. That is incorrect, not correct, correct, false, wrong. These things you have to keep it in mind. Hard outer layer of pollen is called intine. This is wrong. Sporogenous tissue is haploid. This is also wrong. Then endothecium produces the microspores. This is also wrong. Tapetum nourishes the developing pollen. Tapetum is correct. This is correct. So answer is D. Next, advantage of cleistogamy. Cleistogamy, what is cleistogamy? So higher genetic variability, more vigorous offspring, no dependence on pollinator. Cleistogamy. Cleistogamy na என்னது? ஒரே flower குள்ளேயே வரக்கூடிய. So answer vivipary. Answer is D. Viviparous germination. Perisperm differs from endosperm in being haploid tissue, having no reserve food, being diploid tissue. It's from its formation by fusion of secondary nucleus with several sperms. So here perisperm, endosperm. Perisperm is 2n number, endosperm is 3n number. So how it is differs from endosperm? Perisperm is 2n diploid. Endosperm is triploid in higher plants. So here in which condition it is differs from endosperm? That is having diploid. So being a diploid tissue. Answer is C. Geitonogamy. Geitonogamy involves, what is geitonogamy? Different flowers of the same plant. Geitonogamy is different flowers of the same plant. So fertilization of a flower by pollen from another flower of the same plant. Fertilization of a flower by pollen of the same flower. Fertilization of a flower by pollen from another plant of the same population. So fertilization of a flower by the pollen from the flower of another plant being distant population. No. So another flower of a same plant. So answer is A. Next is male gametophyte with the least number of cells is present in Pteris, Lilium, Funaria, Pinus. Male gametophyte with the least number of cells. So it is in Lilium. So answer C. Pollen tablets are available in the market for in vitro fertilization, breeding program, supplementing food and ex situ conservation. It is for supplementing food. Answer C. So the function of filiform apparatus is to recognize the suitable pollen grain at the stigma, stimulate division of generative cell, produce nectar, guide the entry of pollen tube. So filiform apparatus attached to the synergids, it guide the entry of pollen tube. So answer is D. Non-albuminous seed is produced in maize, wheat, castor and pea. So answer is P. So answer D option. Which one of the following may require pollinator which is genetically similar to autogamy? genetically similar to autogamy. Geitonogamy, apogamy, xenogamy, cleistogamy. See what they are asking, but it is genetically similar to autogamy because see geitonogamy is a different flower of the same plant. So it is similar to autogamy only. So answer A. Which one of the following statement is not true? It is it is not true. Pollen grains are rich in nutrient. They are used in the form of tablet and syrup. Pollen grains of some plant cause severe allergies, bronchial affiliations in some people. The flower pollinated by flies and bats secrete foul odor. Honey is made by bees by digesting pollen collected from flower. So answer is D. Transmission tissue is the characteristic feature of hollow style, dry stigma, solid style, then wet stigma. So answer is solid style. Solid style. So answer B. Which of the following are important floral rewards animal pollinator? Floral rewards to animal pollinator. See, color and large size flower, nectar and pollen grains, floral fragrance and calcium crystals, protein pellicle and sigmatic exudates. So answer is nectar and pollen grain. So answer B. Male gametophyte in angiosperm produce single sperm and a vegetative cell, 3 sperm, single sperm, 2 vegetative cells, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. So it is 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. Male gamete in angiosperm produce 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. So answer is D. 2 male gametes varum, oru vegetative cell. Generative cells divided into 2. It forms 2 male gametes. Male gametes தான் நம்ம இங்க sperm னு சொல்றோம். So answer D. Coconut water from tender coconut is free nuclear endosperm, degenerated nucleus, innermost layer of the seed coat, immature embryo. So it is free nuclear endosperm. So answer is A. Coconut water. Which one of the following fruits is parthenocarpic? Parthenocarpic means what? Without fertilization, fruit is formed. Here, apple is false fruit. Here, jackfruit and brinjal is not parthenocarpic fruit. So, answer is banana. So, parthenocarpic fruit is banana. Filiform apparatus is characteristic feature of nuclear embryo, synergids, alluron cell, generative cell. So, answer is synergids. So, this is very important question. They will ask repeatedly. So, answer 3, synergids. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis from gametes without further division involves meiosis, occur in ovule, occur in anther. So, involve ரெண்டுமே என்னது? Involve ஏன்னா இங்க வந்து மெகாஸ்போரோஜெனிசிஸும் கொடுத்திருக்கறனால occur in ovule கிடையாது, occur in anther கிடையாது. ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷனும் சொல்ல முடியாது. From gametes without further division ரெண்டுமே என்ன ஆக போகுது? meiosis குள்ள போகுது. So, இந்த ஆப்ஷனும் கிடையாது. So, answer B. The correct water from tender coconut represents free The correct water from tender coconut represents endocarp, free nuclear proembryo, fleshy mesocarp, free nuclear endosperm. Mathi pottrakudadu, it is not proembryo, it is free nuclear endosperm. So answer is D. Proximal end of filiform stamens is attached to proximal end of filament of stamen, filiform filament of stamen is attached to anther, placenta, connective thalamus or petal. So it is attached to filament of stamen, always it is attached to thalamus, or if it is epipetalous condition, if it is attached to petal. So answer is D. Which one of the following statement is not true? Here, tapetum helps in dehiscence of anther. Exine of pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin. Pollen grains of many species cause severe allergies. Stored pollen grain in liquid nitrogen can be used in crop breeding programs. So answer is tapetum helps in dehiscence of anther. So answer is A. Seed formation without fertilization in flowering plants involves process of sporulation, somatic hybridization, budding, apomixis. So it is apomixis. Apomixis la da seed formation without fertilization irukum. Which of the following statement is not correct? Pollen grain of many species can germinate on the stigma of flower, but only one pollen tube of the same species grow into a style. So insects that consume pollen nectar without bringing about pollination are called pollen nectar robbers. Pollen germination and pollen tube growth are regulated by chemical components of pollen interacting with those of pistil. Some reptiles have also been reported as pollinator in some plants species. So here the answer is A. Which one of the following generate new genetic recombination leading to variation? Parthenogenesis, nucellular polyembryony, cellular sexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction. That is, answer is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction la da genetic recombination, new genetic recombination varum. So answer B. Match the following. Pistils fuse together. Pistils fuse together. Pistil, formation of gametes. Hypha of higher ascomycetes. Unicellular female flower. Formation of gamete is gametogenesis. So B. Pistillate flower. Unisexual female flower ku peru pistillate flower nu peru. So D. Syncarpus. Pistils you fuse together. Syncarpus. So hypha higher ascomycetes. C. So option eppadi irukano? B, D, A, C. அது மாதிரி எங்க இருக்கு? So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல 1 2 3 னு இருக்கு. அப்ப அதே போல நம்மளும் வந்து இங்க 1 2 3 னு போட்டுக்கலாம். So இப்போ pistil form together it forms a 3. 3 ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறது எதுல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது? So இதுல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. So இதெல்லாம் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இல்ல. So ஒன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா அதை வச்சு பண்ணிக்கலாம். Formation of gametes. Formation of gametes 1. அடுத்து hypha of higher ascomycetes C. இது வந்து என்னது? 4. Unisexual 2. So answer 3 1 4 2 னு வரதுதான். So இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ல தான் இருக்கு. So answer is C. In majority of angiosperm, there are numerous antipodal cells. Reduction division occur in megaspore mother cell. A small central cell is present in the embryo sac. Egg has filiform apparatus. So answer is B. reduction division occur in the microspore mother cell. Pollination in water hyacinth and water lily is brought about by agency of. இது water plant இருந்தா கூட அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு exemption இருக்கு. என்ன exemptionனா insect or wind. இது water plant இருந்தா கூட இது ரெண்டுத்துல மட்டும் wind and insects மூலியமா தான் pollination